Hammer. Head. Hammerhead. Hammerhead. Hammerhead sharks have a unique hammer-shaped head that helps them find prey more easily. Their wide-set eyes give them excellent vision underwater. Stone fish. Stonefish. Stonefish. Stonefish is one of the most venomous fish in the world. It hides among rocks so well that people often step on it by accident. Candle fish.
Oh
Candlefish.
no, more drips! Hey, feels great here. So warm. I'm melting. Just relax.
Candlefish. Candlefish contains so much natural oil that it can actually burn like a candle when dried. This unusual fish was used as a natural light source by indigenous people. Dog fish. Dogfish. Dogfish. Dogfish is a small type of shark found in oceans around the world. It got its name because it often hunts in groups like dogs. Gold fish.
Look at me!
Goldfish.
I'm swimming in gold! Wow, it's a golden fish! Let's take a selfie. Smile.
Goldfish. Goldfish can recognize their owners and even learn simple tricks. Despite the myth, their memory can last for months, not just a few seconds. Lion fish.
I am the
Lionfish.
king of this ocean. All hail the king. Hear me roar. Woohoo! The king roared.
Lionfish. Lionfish is famous for its beautiful striped fins and dangerous venomous spines. Even though it looks elegant, many sea creatures stay away from it.